Bajato presents the indicator SL568 and rear indicator SL586 replacement for Land Rover Defender model. These lamps can be used as rear lamps and as front indicator lamps also. These lamps are premium quality products made of strong and bright acrylic and ABS material. The connector of this lamp is as per OEM fitment. You can buy these products individually or as sets in different colors, and it can be used for different applications in different models. SL568 is also available as SL533 with wire and metal base replacement for older models of Land Rover. This is a value for money product, and when you buy this you get Bajato commitment of quality and reliability.